So how can you erase stuff inside of the Snapseed? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe right now and you'll never miss anything important. And actually, the erasing feature inside of Snapseed is one of the best things about the app, if you ask me, right? So let me just get inside of the app. Let me just come back and start editing like a new image, right? So I'm gonna go to the gallery, and let's say that I pick some image which I have saved in my gallery right there. So I don't know, I'm gonna choose this picture of my photo and or my phone, right? And what the app is great about is that it lets me erase and delete parts of the image. So as you can see, I have the picture in here, but when I swipe up on the tools, I can access so many other features. And the one we are interested in is called healing. So this is what you can click on. And now when I zoom it in, you essentially have the ability to draw on anything and make it disappear, really. So it works well on some smaller things. For example, I have the Apple Watch band on my wrist, but what I can do is I can basically select it as such, and it will try to erase it from my wrist. So as you can see, it's not like perfect, but it sort of works, right? If you're not happy, you can come back a few steps, right? But is just something that you can definitely try out, and it kind of works. As I say, it works better for some small things. For example, if I select, I don't know, like this thing at the top, you can see that it will make it disappear, or I don't know, some icons on my phone can also be deleted. So it depends on the thing that you are trying to erase, but as you can see, it tries and it does its best to actually make it disappear. So that's what we have available. That's the thing that a lot of people use. As I say, it works better in some instances than in others, but that's everything I wanted to show you. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.